can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to.
Hello mga kacoolest! I'm Teacher Chris. I've been living and teaching in Thailand for 16 years. Tumu Mindoro, lahing Mangyan. Welcome to my channel!
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Same as Kokod, this is how you refill your fuel for your motorbike. Good morning mga coolest from the beautiful island of Koh Kham.
Who are you?
Babe. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Breakfast mga coolest. Again, food, art, hot. Really good restaurant. Tuwan-tuwa, no? Tuwan-tuwa. I-delete kita. We're waiting for our food, mga kacoolest. Dance. No, like one by one. While waiting. Like this. Then next you.
Ikaw daw nakakaisip mo.
I gotta take you to the
steps.
doctor. I gotta take you to the doctor, huh?
Any step.
I gotta take you to the doctor. There's something. I think you fell and hit your head.
See?
Oh.
Oh!
Mike. L.
Isa pa.
C. O. L.
Four? Cool! Awsuwaniyay, may recommendation kung pupunta kayo ng Koh, you should stay in this area kasi nga maganda yung beach nila and then malapit pa kayo sa Koh Kham. Yun talaga yung dinadayo dito. Ayun po yung puting-puting buhangin na yun yung pupuntahan namin maya-maya. Koh Kham. It is supposed to be the nicest beach actually in Thailand. Sabi ng ilang mga YouTubers. So, let's see.
Mga kakupal, ngayon ay pupunta kami sa Koh Kham. Doon o. Yan. Bumili kami ng ticket worth 300 baht. That includes 100 for the boat ride plus 200 for the entrance fee.
300 each.
300 each. So, pwede ka magstay ng couple of hours doon. Mag-enjoy. Tsaka maganda yung ganda. Actually, pwede ka mag-kayak going there, pero mas mahal. Kasi babayaran mo yung kayak per hour, tapos separate yung entrance fee. So, tapos pinili namin yung easy way, tsaka mas madali. Kasi ayaw mapagod eh.
Ayan mga kulis ang aming boat papuntang Koh Kham. Ayan si Billy Boy, ang aking asawa, at ang aking little sister. 300 baht each, including drinks and entrance fee, maintenance fee para sa isla ng Koh Kham.
On my own, but I don't know.
So mga coolest, this is Koh Kham. It took us 10-minute boat ride. Woo! Look at the water. It's very nice. Hi! Welcome to Koh Kham. Welcome to Koh Kham. Woo! This is Koh Kham and very white sand. Ayan po.
Awesome.
This is supposed to be 5-star hotel, very nice resort, but unfinished and abandoned.
Woo!
Look how white the sand is. So itong island na ito mga kulis, ang Koh Kham, maliit lang siya na isla. Sobrang liit. Kaya para siyang private island talaga. So ayan, white soft sand and the water, let's see. Kahit umulan kagabi, it's still very clear. Ayan, nakikita nyo, ang linaw, parang salamin. So this is it. Koh Kham is a must-visit island. Kaya lang, mas accessible siya if you're going to stay at Koh Kham. Kasi napakalapit niya lang. Ayun lang po ang Koh Kham sa kabila. Ayun. Ganda. Ganda mga kacoolest. See for cool. And ito yung mga supposed to be villas. Ayan o, ang ganda o. Look how nice. Let's check them out. Wow. Kita nyo yan mga kacoolest? Ayan o. Ayan dapat yung room o. Ito yung abandoned resort dito sa Koh Kham. So, sayang kasi napakaganda sana nung resort, hindi lang natapos or hindi tinapos, siguro naubusan ng budget ang may-ari. Ito yung nakita ko sa vlog na gustong-gusto kong mapuntahan. Sabi ko, gusto kong puntahan yung gusto kong makita. At in person, guys, super nice. It's a very stunning resort. Yun nga lang, sayang. Mga kacoolest, ito siguro dapat yung kanilang restaurant/bar. Ayan o, akyatin natin ha. Ayan, ano kaya? Sayang! Pucha, ang ganda. Oh, ayan. Ito yung parang pinaka-bar dapat nila sa taas, overlooking the water. Ayan. Ayun. Ayan lang naman yung room mo. Nakikita nyo yan mga kacoolest? Ang ganda. So tara mga kacoolest, pasukin natin yung loob. Gusto ko lang makita kung hanggang saan yung natapos. Kasi architect ako eh, charot. So let's see this one. Ang ganda sana. Oh, grabe. I can't find any words to describe this resort. Kasi sobrang ganda niya. Oh. Kita nyo oh. Ang nagpaganda lalo, na tubuan na ng mga halaman, yung pader. Ah, ito pala. This is supposed to be a mini pool while they are relaxing here, overlooking again the beach. Ayan o. Oh, wow. So, ito siya mga kacoolest. Ayan. Pang ano lang din siya, 1 bedroom, 2 people. Ayan, eto siya. Eto lang yung natapos nila sa loob. Ganda. Sayang. Ganda ng location. Ayan mga kacoolest, itatry na po namin ang aming drone shot. So, finish this vlog kasi the best is yet to come.
While visiting Koh Kham, a must-see trip is a little island called Koh Kham. I have traveled to many islands in Thailand, and Koh Kham ranks among the highest, whitest sand, clearest water I have ever seen. Not only do you have beautiful beaches, but you have the added bonus of a mysterious abandoned resort to explore. Although you cannot stay overnight, it's still worth the trip. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and visit Koh Kham.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow and sound. the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing.
The water is nice.
So, that's it mga coolest. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na ito. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.